After a knee injury, I developed this yoga therapy program to rebuild my strength, balance, and confidence. And guess what? It worked. One of these practices has already been viewed over 500,000 times on YouTube, helping people all over the world regain their stability and strength. This complete Strong and Sturdy series builds on that foundation, giving you not just effective movement practices, but also very important anatomical insights for anyone recovering from injuries or wanting to stay active for life. These standing-only classes are designed for active agers like you, hikers, bikers, runners, anyone who loves to move. You'll strengthen your legs and hips, improve your posture, and sharpen balance and agility, so you can keep on doing the activities you love with confidence and ease. At the core of this playlist is the Vista method, rooted in yoga therapy and the anatomy of aging bodies. It blends proven principles that build vitality, preserves your independence, and ensures safety as you move through life. So whether you're tackling the trails, enjoying your favorite sport, or simply wanting to feel strong and steady every day, these practices will help you stay sturdy, balanced, and ready for whatever adventure life brings. Let's get strong and sturdy together.